Hello everyone, welcome back to This Old Cook. If it's your first time here, then just welcome. So far we've made tzatziki, which we did the other day. We've also made garlic and oregano vinaigrette. So to complete those three, today we're going to make chicken souvlaki. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right, so what I've got here is 6 skinless, boneless chicken thighs. I'll just show you this one. With this chicken thighs, just run your fingers down just to make sure they've been boned properly. Sometimes they leave little bits of bone in, and that's not a good thing. So I've cut off the extra fat. These thighs cut into 6 pieces is enough for 2 people for a main course. I'm just going to bob those into my bag. Right, so I've got all my chicken in the bag, and we're going to be using this garlic and oregano vinaigrette that we made the other day. When you store this in the fridge, the olive oil will solidify. So just bring it out of the fridge, let it come to room temperature, and then it will liquefy again. So we're just going to combine this together. And we're just going to use half a cup of this in the chicken. And you've got plenty of that left over for your salad dressing. So that in with the chicken. It smells lovely after it's been in there for a night. Get some of the air out. Zip it up. I do like using these bags because you can massage the marinade right into the chicken really well. Right, I'm going to get off and finish doing that, and then we'll come back tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day now. I've taken the chicken out from the fridge. I've threaded them onto my skewers. I was going to cook them on the barbecue because I think they just taste much better over hot coals. But as it's the UK and it's the middle of the summer, it's raining and it's cold. So I'm going to cook them under the grill. I've heated my grill to as high as it'll go. We need to cook these until they are 74 degrees Celsius or about 165 degrees Fahrenheit to make sure they're cooked through. So I'm going to pop them under the grill now, and I'll take them out halfway through when they're ready for turning and let you see what they look like. Right, so these have been in about 6 to 7 minutes. They're going to take approximately 15 to 20 minutes. So they're ready for their first turn. So I'm going to do that, bob them back in the oven, and then I'll get them out in a bit and show you what they look like. Right, okay, so it's been about 17 minutes. Just going to check the temperature. I believe they're cooked okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're perfectly cooked. Absolutely fine. So I'm going to plate these up, and I'll show you exactly how good these are. Right, so there we are. My version of chicken souvlaki with a lovely avocado salad, tzatziki, and pita breads. Try it. It's really good. If you followed my other recipes leading up to this, which is the garlic and oregano vinaigrette and the tzatziki, I'll put the links to those recipes down below. So I hope you enjoyed that, and bon appetit.